You are going to love the 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, power brakes, dual exhaust, power sunroof, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.